Let's begin with some good news. The tower industry, which I represent, and so also Bimal and Colonel Gyan here, we have been recently accorded the infrastructure status, what is called the harmonized infrastructure status. And this gives us a focus in the context of convergence into convergence of several sectors of the industry and not telecom alone. And therefore, the fact that the tower industry was born out of the fact that the anchor customers were the telecom operators now has the potential to go across. And therefore, whether we are talking of, shall we say, the IT industry, or we are talking of education, or we are talking of finance, there is a lot of potential which is now coming up around the tower. The tower is becoming like an oasis in the desert, particularly if we were to look at the rural environment, where the fact that at a particular given location, which is enclosed, which has security, which has power, which has transmission, is like an oasis. And at that point, what more can be done are the several opportunities in the rural areas. So in that context, the fact that an ATM can be positioned, the fact that online educational and vocational programs can be conducted through the IT kiosks and the common service center concept of partnership projects which the government has. Many of these things which have been going on in parallel, there's an opportunity to have a converged view. And therefore, another facet of convergence could be of the several services which go across and beyond telecom itself, which this tower industry represents. So I think when we look at infrastructure, we will also have to start thinking beyond our tower business. One aspect is how can we sweat the asset better and therefore get multiple applications around the tower, for which each of us is now responsible to see what does harmonized infrastructure mean. The second aspect will be how can we enhance the network deployment given the fact that the customer expectation is a single solution, whether it is on an iPad or a device. Ultimately, if he is looking at a converged solution, the network also has to be of a converged nature. And it is in that context that many of us are now looking at not tower as a tower, but we are looking at the means towards or the core fundamental for network deployment. And when we talk of network deployment, it obviously involves the active elements of the network, the passive elements of the network, the transmission elements of the network, which together sometimes we can call as an integrated business solution rather than just talking of it as a tower. It has several ramifications because all of us come with a legacy background. All of us have our own compulsions and our agreements and so on with the customers. But if we look at it from a long-term perspective, the tower as it is today may not necessarily be the tower as it will be tomorrow. And therefore, in that context, we people as infrastructure providers have a larger role to play and try to see how network deployment on a converged, integrated platform can be done. And thanks to technology, thanks to IP networks, it is quite possible that the concept of shareability, which India has pioneered in the context of towers, could very well get extended into integrated business solutions which are also shared. Some initial beginnings of that we see in what we call in-building solutions, where large multiple complexes like airports and large campuses are amenable to what we call the in-building solutions, where both the passive and the active elements of the network have an interplay. And wherever they have an interplay, we straight away get linked to policy. And what is the policy? Does it permit us or not? I think the good news is that our Honorable Minister has said that by end of December, there will be a clear-cut policy on unified licensing, and that unified licensing will be crisscrossing all elements other than the spectrum, so that any intending player wishing to acquire a unified license can offer the active and the passive elements of the network on a proactive basis rather than only based on a mandate. And he can do that as long as the spectrum part of it, he does not necessarily get involved. So I think looking at that, the nature of the converged networks and the tower companies will have to think afresh as to whether they just keep on focusing on tower or do they start looking at shared integrated solutions. Some of the things which Amit mentioned about, BTSs being managed by separate people, we are now saying instead of multiple key solution, can we have a single key solution? Now, when we talk about single key solution, the person who goes to attend to that particular infrastructure in the, be it a rural or an urban area, should have the ability to provide service not only for the passive elements of the network, but also some of the active elements, at least in terms of first line maintenance. So I think the potential is very high in terms of first understanding the customer expectation of what a converged solution should be, and then learning from that at the back end as an infrastructure provider, we also expanding our horizons and thinking beyond the tower into converged network deployment solutions, and at the same time accelerating the usage of the tower by going in for multi-sectoral applications where we see a lot of potential in the education and the financial services and several of the utility-based services. So all in all, it's like looking at the elephant from different directions, but I can see very high potential from this convergence as the topic. Thank you.